to fix this application was unable to start correctly 0x0000005 in Windows 11 or 10. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix this kind of error on your Windows 11 or 10. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Step 1. Delete temporary files. For that, you have to open the run command. Simply you have to right click on the start menu and click on run. Open it and now you have to type in Prefetch and press enter on your keyboard. And after that, you have to delete all these files in this folder. Now the third step you need to follow is simply you have to clear the temporary files. For that, again you have to go to the run command and you have to type in temp. Now press enter on your keyboard and click continue button. Now you'll reach on this kind of interface where you need to delete all these files in this folders as well. For that, you can easily select all these files by clicking Ctrl A and click this trash icon. Then all these files will be deleted from this folder. Now you have to clear the person temp person files. For that, again open run once again and you have to type in person temp person. So let's type in the command. Type in person temp person and click on OK button. And you have to select and delete all these files also. Once you do that, you have to update your browser. To do so, you can easily navigate to Google and download the latest version of Chrome. Once installed, this should help resolve any compatibility issues. So following this, all the steps, your issue should be resolved. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.